There's the old crane over there, and that's what they used to pick their stuff off the freight cars with. So it is.
Body. Treasure's proof.
There you go.
There you are.
Don't put, you need to be careful and stay back. And that's the line that brings you down to Lurgan and Portadown. And then over here, there's the old waiting rooms. And there's the signal box. Do you want to go down by the signal box?
Yes.
And you see that there? That's the signal.
That's the
electric
signal.
Let's see, come here, hold on. Switch it off for a wee second.
Pause the camera.
Bangor, Helens Bay, Portadown, 7:58, 7:77. Let me see what times. 16, 18, 18, 18, 18:37. Portadown.
See the signal.
What day is the day?
We are at Mile. See the old waiting room. There's a U waiting room. There's Maya. Let's get a view from this bird.
Here. Oh,
2005.
There should be a train coming in about 5 minutes.
Alright.
Okay, or maybe we've missed it. No.
Alright, so I'll
16, hold on.
see Mile Station okay, and but before I say that's it, you can see that red signal.
Come on, we'll see. We'll go down to the bottom and see the old signals. And you're walking on the viaduct now.
Okay, can I pause the camera?